the Facebook automation that actually boosts page reach and engagement about this video. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step how automatically share your Facebook page post with the multiple group reply to targeted and trending posts using your page and your engagement, and you can reach the reach and the pull over using the Facebook Blaster Pro. Okay, the tutorial very designed received scalable organizing Facebook marketing using automation and a smart V. What this tutorial cover? Share your Facebook page post. Share your Facebook page post to groups automatically order comment on trending and cloud post. Using your page boost, you can boost to reach, and with multiple account rotations, you can increase the page engagement through group traffic plus comment traction, and you can run automatically. As Sally with anti-amendment and Proxy's, that software has the multiple options for these type of things. Okay, what you can do with the Facebook Blaster Pro. The Facebook Blaster has a variety of options and features to perform the marketing task for your product and services and marketing things. Okay, an auto-share page post to limited Facebook groups, and ATO any public post or trending post reply as your page higher attention engagement. This strategy is high that, for example, any post that has a good amount of comments so you can reply to that commenter also okay. I'll show you in the videos. You can increase the page engagement by using the multiple accounts, and this is a safe mode and demand protection and secure product. These options are available, and furthermore, another more options are bulk posting. You can bulk post any groups with the help work this offer by your page, and while commenting and group joining and more. It's a fully automated marketing system, and who should watch this video? Who should? This is for every Facebook marketer, affiliate marketer, business owner, lead generator, anyone serious about organic Facebook growth and marketing their services in product and real estate and insurance marketing agencies. All the things okay if you're interested for this comment below. Okay, so let's move to the software Hialakam. This is the Shanaliha, and you are watching Marketing Software, Pakistan. After a long time again, I'm making an excuse necessarily apologize to my viewers. My subscriber that after again a long time on creating the video for you because life is very busy, and today I'm going to show you that how you can post engagement of your page and how you can share your page post to multiple groups and how you can reply in any post and comment with your page so that will increase your engagement and boost your page automatically and organically by the Facebook. Here are some options in this software. I will put some video link in my description. You better watch for detailed videos of these options. These options I'm giving you a little bit overview that this option, you can send BUL message with your multiple Facebook accounts, and this option, you can grab and scrap multiple things here, like you can scrap your own friends list from your accounts, your chat list from your account inbox, and if you have a page, you can also scrap the page chats from your accounts. And if you have a group you are already joined, you can all the group ID of your joined page or from your account you join the groups, so you can scrap the group IDs. And if you want to scrap a specific group member, for example, any targeted group you are thinking that from this group, I want to scrap the member, so you can just put the link of the group and scrap the members. And here is the post option. If you want to scrap the commenters, any post, any targeted your competitive post, you can just copy the link and paste here and scrap the likes and commenters, and then you can send them bulk message. So these are options you can utilize with your idea and technical mind, and with my little basic training that when I will give you okay. And this is the option and the keyword. You can tape the keyword any niche like real estate agency, real estate group, real estate marketing, insurance group, insurance agency, deal marketing, digital agency, travel marketing, travel company, and import-export. These type of groups you can find out with the keyword, and you can perform the multiple tasks that join the group or post. In the group OK, and in the search page option, you can also tap any keyboard, and you can get the search pages of your targeted key with the keyword, and you can send them bulk messages with your accounts. Okay, so these type of things you can perform the different tasks with this software and increase your marketing and boost your engagement and get the sales with your attractive content and attractive images by sending the BUL messages or offering you some more different tasks. With this software, and in the comment box option, you can comment on profiles and commit on pages. Comment on group post. You can perform more aggressively with this type of features, and they get more engagement and get more client or says with this option also, and in the group post option. With multiple accounts, so you can send group post in a different group that you already scrapped from this option, And also you can join the groups if you haven't joined the groups that you are not a member. So you can click on this option so you can join the groups also. So I will give you the trading, don't worry about it, and my videos or links are in description. You better that you must watch them completely, all the links okay, so you will understand more. And I'm here today to show you how you can perform tasks with your page, with your Facebook page, like for example, grab the group IDs that I have joined with my page. So this is my page, actually I show you here. This is my page. Okay, and these are the group I have joined with the page. So these already member of this. Okay, the first three are I'm not a member. I think that pending request actually, but I have joined bar groups, many groups. So I will able to perform my group posting task with the help of this software. I show you here what's happening and what's going in. What are the scrapping okay? So these are enough for me. I'm just stopping the function. So in starting that I was not a member of starting of 3 groups. So I will just select and remove because I was not member as I remember that okay. These are the group I already member. And now I can perform the group posting with the help of this software and by using my Facebook page. So that would be more good for me that I will get like follow engagement with the help of the software on my page. Okay, how to do this that you can see I'm just go to the group post store. I'm selecting my account. Okay, and I just upload the image like this. And these are the setting that I already this by default okay. So I'm just posting this poster into different groups, multiple groups. With the help of page you will see here. This will automatically tap and automatically post the image. I'm just moving the and no. I'm not moving the cursor or mouse you can see. You can see it's automatically posting and I can show you here. Also in report option, it also showing the straight of this the post is approved. Word padding okay. So if it approves it will show you as status approved or if for pending so admin will allow. Also it will show approve, but if by default the mostly groups public groups are open group you can post and automatically approve the post that we show here. Okay, again, task performing with on a different group, another group you can see. So by this with the page you can post in the multiple group or get the engagement and get the sales and many you can get. And this is very beneficial for your page engagement boots and all the things okay. So you can see here it's pending because the admin has locked the pro and company. So you will have to wait when it approved you will get the notification on your Facebook page here in the Belican OK. And this was a group posting method with the help of this software by your page OK through your page. You can see here this is my page posting. Digital marketing software. This is my page, so this will increase your chance with a follower engagement on the post by posting in different groups, so that will be more beneficial for you. If you get the idea, main thing is you will need to think and get the idea of utilizing this product. This software. Okay, I again see here is approved. You can see here, it's live. Okay, I'm doing this task. Live 10 of the December or 2025. Venus D. Meantime, time in Pakistan. Okay, I hope you understand this function. The multiple posting in groups with help of this software by your page. Okay, just stopping the function. And the next you can do with your page is comment how you can do the comment like you have a multiple groups. Okay, and these are your groups that you've already found. So you want to comment on the group post with by your page what is doing. Well, I'm showing you this rotate between account after 2 comments and all the things okay. This the account rotation setting actually and proper file. So I want to do 10 come in okay. And I want to upload the image also again this image and I that here. And I click on command on profile. Let's see what happened. It will go to the specific group that you already scrapped and it will. This will comment on the group post by your page. It's interesting, very interesting, like it's opening this post and it commenting on this post with this sequence. This will post the comment on any post of the group that will increase your engagement, that will get that attention, attraction, and attention to the peoples. Is again posting in the same group in another post, posting the comments to another post. The quantity you will mention, this will post like I just here per profile. 10. This means for a group, it will post to 10. 10. Comment to the 10 post. Okay, the same group, and again posting recommend to the another third post of the group. Okay. So with this idea, you can also get the good engagement and attentions of the people. Get the attention of the people. Okay, you can also check here is approve, approve of, approve. These are the commit has been successfully post. Okay, just stopping this function. Okay, now what the other function I'm showing you the more feature this is the post link. Okay, before the post link, I want to show you that how you can get the link of your any post or your targeted post. For example, this is my post, but this is only text, not image that would be not suitable for this. So this is the image. I will click on the date and time. I will copy and paste. This is my ONP page post link, and I want to share this post to multiple groups. Okay, I will click on this option. Share to groups, number reply from each profile. This is the another option I will show you after this. After this share to the group option, I will show you this okay, and I will tap something in there. I will click post engagement, and this will share to the multiple group each year, and to the groups, I mean shared to the groups, multiple groups of your page post, so you can buy this. You can increase your engagement. Boost your engagement follow of your page with the sharing of the post to the multiple groups. And I'm showing you the log option. Also, you can see here the post to the group. London, STA up Oka. This will post to this. Europe. Okay. Another option, it will perform, so this will show you here the log. In the log option, you can see the next group, trading, exit trading, and in another group I hear here. It's another group Oka. I'll show you next group. Also, it's automatically shared to the next group. Also, in last Vegas business group, last big guest business guru okay. So by this you can do this, perform different action, different task, boost your engagement of your post or page. I'm stopping this function and now come to the next part and next option. How you can boost your attack the people with the order next option. Other features of this software. If you have a multiple accounts Facebook account, you can post the link of your own page and perform this option. Also, bow the engagement of your own post with the help of multiple accounts of Facebook. And at this time I have just one account, so I cannot do this with the help of this. But I can do this a reply post comment. For example, if you find any trying post that has lots of comment, so you can just post the link and reply to the post command. For example, here's the post like this word, so you can find a training post. For example, okay, let me find this group like this post. Promote your business. Okay, so on this post lots of people are promoting the business and committing below the post of this option, so you can see. Here are 51 comments on this post. 51 comments, they are posting their business link and comment on this. Okay, what you can do this, you can do like this reply name, tag, and reply to your product name or your post. And you can also leave this. You will do manually, but with this software you will not have to do manually. You will just reply to the post. Comment this reply to the post comment command okay. So I'm just opening this post. Leave the page in this post. A bowling I copy and a paster. I will reply to the post what I want to reply in the post. And you can also add the link of your any page or any product. Okay, so this will reply to the all post. All post of this post. This is the post, this reply to the all post. Okay, for example, I want to put my YouTube video link. For example, this link, I will just copy this link and I will paste here, and what is done. I like this number of comment layer from each profile. I will apple the R, and okay, I will click, and what you will see here. This will reply to the all comment of this post. Reply all comment of this post like you can see here at posting and replying to the commenters. Maybe so you will understand the thing. This is not the software for software do. It's all the app run, but the setting, the admin, and the post they will set. This is their own settings, but software perform all the actions. As for the options available, features are available in the post. You can see it's automatically replying to the all commenters reply of this post. You understand the idea. I hope you get the idea. Will reply to the all the commensal post of this post. Okay, this will boost the engagement of your page, maybe in your videos and all the things. Okay, I'm just stopping it. You can see here, I just refresh. I'm giving you the proof I'm giving you. No one will show you the transparency and proof of the videos and all the things. But I'm giving you the proof. You can see. There was a 51 comment, but now it's a 56 comments. Okay, I'm posting the reply to the comments in another group. This is the post and had the 22 and 22 comments, and you can see here no reply of this comment and no reply of this comment. Okay, so my software will do the reply of this command. This command that will maybe this business require the Facebook marketing soft. So I will reply to the dis post. Comment, trust reply. Okay, actually. So you can see here. I click on boost engagement. You will see here exactly opening the same post of the group, and it will reply with the commander. Post reply, you can see here, you can see it's live. So by this you can get more visitor of your page. By this you can get more visitor of your YouTube video or YouTube or Facebook or anything. Okay, to get the idea, just use your mind and utilize the software. Well, today was the day for how to boost your page engagement and increase your page engagement. And with the help of this software, do the marketing for your page and on post, and all the things okay. It's covered all the things, and for more these features. The videos or links are in description. Watch all the videos. Click on all the links with the new tape so you can watch all the videos and understand that the marketing is strategy and ideas that you will have to do for your product and services and marketing the companies and all the things. So this software has the variety of option for the Facebook marketing and further in the pipeline. The marketplace posting. The market-based posting is very much interesting and most demanding option also. So in the future, soon we are planning to add the option of marketplace posting. Product posting. We will add this feature and option in this software. So that will also more enhance your product marketing on the marketplace of Facebook. And with these options, you can do many. You can get many engagement and everything with the help of the software. If you like this video, click on like button, and if you subscribe it, so you will get more update for the new options and features are coming and adding the software, and comment below. What are your confusion in your mind, and what are your costs? So I will reply on this sober. Furthermore, if you want to get this software, contact me on WhatsApp. Okay, thank you very much.